So if you're having issues with Windows security, it keeps crashing, you can't open it, you can't close it, there's a reset button on it. You just type in Windows security, and then instead of clicking on it, you right click. When you go to app settings, then you can reset, you can terminate, or you just reset it. I'm not going to do it, but that's how you do it. You can do that for a lot of apps.